Hi friends, it's Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today what I have in mind, I have a 10 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas and I want to do some blooms with teal, blue, and a dark blue, just different colors of blue really. And then I'm going to use a white cell activator to activate the cells. And we'll see how this turns out. I'm trying to just put 2 flowers on the canvas, but we'll see how that goes. A lot of times I end up adding another one, but I don't want to add too many because I've done that before, and that kind of looks wonky when you add, at least it did for me when I added too many of them. So I'm using the indigo, which is black blue, that's one of the colors, and then teal by Amsterdam, and then cobalt blue, which I just had put down, and that's by Amsterdam. And this is that indigo blue. And then I'm going to put the blue-green by Pebeo. That's a metallic color, really pretty. I just love doing these blooms. They're so exciting and challenging to make. So in the paint, I just added about a tablespoon of medium, and I used Saks medium. And then I added about the same amount of paint, and the rest is Floetrol and water. So the Floetrol was about, I don't know, maybe 3 times the paint and the medium. And then the rest, water, just to get the consistency that you want. And that's about it. And with the cell activator, I just used Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam white. And that was about 3 parts of the Australian Floetrol and 1 part of the paint. So make sure you remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and like and share the video if you can, if you know of anyone to send it to. The shares also help my channel. And that's about it. I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video and can go and try it yourself and see how yours turns out.